Hello and welcome to Med4Care. I am Dr. Care and today we will talk about nattokinase. Starting from December 2019, the COVID-19 pandemic, sustained by the SARS-CoV-2 viral agent, has caused over 6,300,000 deaths worldwide. Amongst the attempts developed by scientific institutions and individual practitioners to prevent the spread of COVID-19 infection, there is nattokinase, a protein that could help reduce the effects of the viral infection. But is it really effective and how does it work? Let's find out together. As we know, the SARS-CoV-2 virus is able to penetrate cells that overexpress the receptor for ACE2, the angiotensin-converting enzyme 2. The cells of the respiratory tree and certain cytotypes of the gastrointestinal system express this receptor more on their cell surface. This is why the majority of infection-induced symptoms are often respiratory or intestinal in nature. The virus manages to bind to the receptor via a transmembrane protein, known as the S, or spike, thanks to which the virus first binds to the cell, then fuses to the membrane and finally accesses the cell's cytoplasm. Molecules that manage to prevent the binding of the spike protein to the human ACE2 receptor can play a key role in counteracting COVID-19, as they prevent the virus from entering the host cell at birth. The properties of a compound obtained by fermenting soybeans in Japan, known as natto, are becoming better known. An enzyme, known as nattokinase, was found inside the natto, which would be able to degrade the spike protein of COVID-19, effectively preventing the virus from entering the cell. This study was conducted in Japan and is an in vitro experimental study. The authors of the study verified the in vitro efficacy of the enzyme nattokinase by testing it with a biological preparation of cells expressing the ACE2 receptor, in which the virus SARS-CoV-2 has been introduced. The biological preparation of the cells, which exhibited the ACE2 receptor on the membrane, was tested in test tubes by adding increasing doses of nattokinase and the virus responsible for COVID-19. The results of the laboratory experiment revealed that nattokinase significantly contributes to SARS-CoV-2 protein spike degradative proteolysis. It degrades not only the spike protein, but also the ACE2 receptor. It performs its degradation activity without inducing cell damage. The enzyme nattokinase is demonstrated to possess important proteolytic activity of the COVID-19 adhesion spike protein in vitro. Since this enzyme has also exhibited important antihypertensive and hypolipidemic properties, the development and introduction of the enzyme nattokinase as a pharmacological strategy may prove very useful in the fight against coronavirus 2019 infection. We are now at the end of today's video. We hope you enjoyed it. If you found it useful, please support us with a nice like and subscribe to the channel. See you soon on Med4Care.